Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about cracking the code on keyword research, specifically using Google's Keyword Planner tool. Whether you're a blogger, SEO specialist, or just starting an online business, knowing the right keywords is crucial for attracting your target audience. First, we'll dive into how to access and navigate Keyword Planner. Next, I'll show you how to filter and refine your keyword list to target the most relevant and high-performing options. Finally, we'll discuss some bonus tips and tricks to take your keyword research to the next level. Let's get started. You have to create Google Ads account in order to use Google Keyword Planner. Create your Google Ad account by providing your details such as billing country, time zone, and currency. Select Create an account without a campaign. Confirm your account and adjust settings. Once you are done, submit. I already have an Google Ads account, so I don't create another account now. This is your Keyword Planner dashboard. Select any country that you want to research. You can check any website keywords. You can check your competitors' keywords using Start with Website feature. Here you can check average monthly search volume, advertiser competition. Bidding range from low to high, and many more features available. Let's start our keyword research process with Discover New Keywords. Enter your keyword and press Get Started. You can broaden your search. You may copy or export all the keywords. You can also refine the keywords from here. Change the view from keywords to grouped from here. You may also adjust the time period from here. You have the option to add negative keywords that you want to exclude from the research. Awesome! You've just unlocked the treasure chest of keyword research with Google Keyword Planner. While this video equipped you with the essential tools and process, remember, keyword research is a journey, not a destination. Think of it like mastering a new recipe. You've learned the basic steps, but the real magic happens with practice and exploration. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies, delve deeper into competitor analysis, and keep an eye on industry trends. Keyword research is a skill that gets sharper with every attempt. So keep researching, keep refining, and unleash your creativity to find those hidden keyword gems. Remember, I'm always here with more SEO tips on this channel, so hit that subscribe button to stay on top of your keyword game. Now go forth and conquer the search engine landscape.